Hello, I'm Pori and it's Pori's Korean. But it's Korean culture, not Korean language today. So let's get it started. Are you interested in raising a baby in Korea? Or are you curious about what typical Korean moms do with their babies? Today, I will visit a baby cafe with my baby girl. So please come with us. I'm going in now. Look, obviously, baby cafes are the cafes for babies and their moms. It's a safe place full of things for babies to enjoy. I swear, it's safer than your house. As you can see, it consists mainly of a playground and a space for toys. This is where the mom and baby eat. I see a neon sign on the wall. Shall we read it together? 내가 이쁜 건 엄마 탓. It says, blame your mom for your beauty. Wow, my love, you can blame me as much as you want for this reason. Of course, there's a nursing room. What do the signs say? 수유실 is for breastfeeding. 기저귀실 is a place to change diapers. 실 in both words means a room in Korean. Look what my baby is doing. She's playing on the slide that we all loved in our childhood. The slide is 미끄럼틀 in Korean. 미끄럼틀. What about this? We all loved this as well, hadn't we? It's called 볼풀장 in Korean. 볼풀장. 볼 and 풀 are actually English words. Yes, right, the word you are thinking about. The kind manager of this cafe lined up the fish in the bowl pool for my baby. I like this. While my baby is playing here and there, I will have a meal now. Do you like to eat alone? In Korea, eating alone is called 혼밥. 혼밥. It's kind of a slang. It's 혼밥 time. We've stayed for almost 2 hours. So, as the last one, my baby is going to take another spring car that she loved so much. Now, it's time to go back home. How did you like this video? If you're curious about the daily lives of a Korean mom, please click the like button and you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. 시청해주셔서 고맙습니다. 다음 시간에 또 만나요.